This is our lesson on section 5.5, which is graphing systems of inequalities. So basically what we do is we graph each of the two inequalities, both of them, including the shading, on the same graph. So the first step is to find the point of intersection. So we're going to do that using any of our two methods that are algebraic, substitution or elimination, treating them like equations. So this is what we've been doing. So if I copy these systems and treat them like equations with equal signs, and then I'm going to solve using elimination, although you could use substitution, because if I add these together, x plus x is 2x, y plus negative y is 0, that's eliminated, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So it actually turns out to be pretty simple. And now I'm going to divide by 2, and x equals 4. Again, I'm finding my point of intersection. And then I'm going to plug it in. So I'll plug it into the first one. X plus 4 is equal, plug it in for the x. 4 plus y equals 5, subtract 4, y equals 1. So that's my point of intersection, 4, 1. All right, the next step is to find the things we always find and graph the first line. And we're going to do that in two different colors, one for each line. So I'm going to do this one in red. I'm going to do my work in blue though. So for my first equation, x plus y greater than or equal to 5. So if I plug in 0 for x, my y-intercept is 5. If I plug in 0 for y, my x-intercept is 5. And then I solve for y. Y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 5. So now I know my slope is negative 1. And I can make that a fraction for when I'm graphing. And then I'm going to do my test point. I'll do that now, and then I'll do it all at once on the graph. So my test point, I'm going to use 0, 0. So plug in 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 5, 0 greater than or equal to 5, which is false. And now I'm ready to graph. So I'll put my axes on here. And now in red for this line, I'm going to put this line on here. So I have an x-intercept of 5 and a y-intercept of 5 and a slope of down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And then I'm going to use my ruler or straight edge. And it's a solid line because of the equal bar on the inequality sign. So there's that. And now I have to decide which side to shade. Here was my test point. It was false, so I shade the other side. Now I'm going to pause the video and resume for the second line.